Hi, Berry. Kasama si Tanoret? Oh, heto, green.
What's up mga ka-berbers, and this is my vlog of how media influences my today's vlog. First of all, nagsabot may sa mga groupmates that we have to dance this day at 2 p.m. But before that, we have mag-unpackaging ta sa itong mga gipalit. Wow! The first item that I bought this day is markers! Wow! Yay! This is very cheap at 175 pesos and very cute. So the next item that I bought this day is wait, wow, what is it? A golf cup. Wow, very stylish and cute. It's very fit to me because I like brown, dark brown. So sobrang akong ganahan sa hat. Nag-fit check ako sa CR with pagkisan. After I outfit check, nagla-lunch ako sa mall na sa pagkaon na di ko ganahan kay gulay man. So, ito nagmaoy, hala. Baby, my baby. During na lunch ako, nag-stock na ang Ember Lily. So, nagdali-dali ko duwa para makakuha ang Ember Lily. Wow! Dayon nag-chat akong kagrupo na muara daw ko sa Fuente. So, niyara ko. Outfit check ko. Wow, galing. Ang galing, Tony. With my babies in the Fuente. Wow! And dira mo makita kung unsa akong pakamay sa sayaw. Watch this. Wow! Pero pag break ito naman namin tayo kagrupo na ako nag-uli way ko pananghit. So pag alasing ko ato niuli na dayon ko. So as you can see in this video, wow, trip lang ako dito. However, my parcel is delivered to this day and kabaka gyud sana ko. Obviously Chinese garte sa eskwelahan ugma dayon. And that's my video. Bye!